Good afternoon, Sir LJ.
This is our report. We are Group 4 about obesity. Obesity is excessive fat accumulation harmful to health.
It means pagiging overweight and pagiging unhealthy ng body. And we will talk about the causes of it. And ano ba talaga magawa to prevent it? First,
Lack of physical activity.
kailangan natin ng physical activity. It means mag-exercise tayo. Like, meron tayong right time and right exercises for this.
Second is emotional eating.
Emotional eating. We need, kailangan natin ng therapies to help our mind na minsan kasi pag stress tayo na hindi natin napipigilan yung sarili natin na kumain ng kumain kasi parang ito lang yung nakakapag-relieve ng stress natin, lalo na sa mga sweets. And ang mga sweets, matataas ang calories nito na ito yung mag-ano sa atin na mag-overweight and magkaroon ng unhealthy body.
Third, the last one is poor diet.
Poor diet. Hindi natin nabibilang ang mga kinakain natin or yung mga calories na kinakain natin or right food. Like for example, we need protein and other vitamins na kailangan natin sa katawan natin. Kailangan natin ng meat and veggies. Minsan kasi hindi na natin napipigilan yung sarili natin na kumain lang ng kumain. Kumain lang ng kumain and yung kanin, may isip natin, gutom pa ako, kaya mag-ano pa tayo ng kanin, sasandok pa tayo ng kanin, and kakain lang tayo ng kakain, and maglilid nun sa pagiging unhealthy body. And the way to prevent these three causes, paano natin ito i-prevent? First of all,
Health risk prevention. Healthy diet. Regular physical activity and behavioral modification.
Second is health problem. Cardiovascular disease, hypertension, joint problem, and type 2 diabetes.